Why do we sleep? We know everyone does it, from you and me to fish, birds, and bees. But answering this question is more complex than it seems at first. So let's start by answering, what is sleep? We know it's composed of cycles of roughly 90 minutes, 80 minutes of non-REM sleep, or non-rapid eye movement sleep, and 10 minutes of REM sleep, during which most people dream. The average adult needs 8 hours of sleep, young adults need closer to 9, and little children sleep much longer. But still, why do we need it? There have been several reasons suggested in the past: to conserve energy, avoid predators, repair the body, grow the brain. But none of these theories had the empirical data to back them up. However, sleep is obviously necessary for both the brain and the body. The latest research illustrates that sleep seems to be critical in 3 domains: learning and memory, emotional stability, and creativity. First, sleep may help you remember things better, from when the Roman Empire fell to how to shoot a free throw. It may also help you stay emotionally stable and calm in the face of stress. And finally, it seems that sleep helps foster